Hey fellow YouTube creators, this is The Green Cabbie, also known by a lot of other names with many of our other channels. Today I wanted to share some information with you on how to be able to, one, share all of your new videos on your social media accounts very easily and quickly once you upload a video. Many of you might have gotten the new email from YouTube saying that starting January 31st, they are no longer going to be auto-posting to Twitter, and they're no longer going to be auto-posting to Google Plus to syndicate your videos that you're putting up. And as you might remember, if you've been doing YouTube for a long time, they also took away previously Facebook. So I'm going to show you a way that you can do it quickly and easily that I do. I have spent hundreds of dollars on programs for YouTube in the past to be able to optimize videos and get tags and all that kind of stuff. But I'm going to show you a freemium or a pretty inexpensive way to be able to do it. You can use it on either Chrome or you can use it on Firefox, and it will make your life a lot easier, and it gives you all the tools to be able to get lots and lots of views, lots of watch time, lots of subscribers, because you are consistent and you're being able to show up in the search results. So why should you listen to me if you don't know who I am? I have almost 40,000 subs on my channel. It's not super huge, but it is, quite a few. I've got over 7.2 million views on my main channel. I run 7 other niche channels, and I average about 1,800 hours of watch time per month on this channel here, The Green Cabbie. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Let me jump into it and give you a couple of tips and pointers so that you can start helping out with your social media. So what I want to show you is, first of all, the program is called Tubebuddy. Okay, so Tubebuddy is an attachment that you can get, like I said, for Chrome or for Firefox, and it is integrated through the whole entire platform, and it makes things so much easier. So I just uploaded a video here, and with it you have this little box here that you can click, and it gives you lots and lots of options. So you can go directly to your dashboard, and I know with the new interaction that they have with YouTube, they make it kind of hard to find this. You can go directly to my videos. You can go directly to my playlist, and I'm actually going to show you something with that, which is pretty awesome because it gives you a way to instantly edit all of your videos. You can go directly to live streaming, directly to your comments, your subscribers. They have a nice little trick here in the subscribers as well to find out what your subscribers are doing on social media. You can go to your analytics. I'm not going to show you that because it shows how much I make, and we're not supposed to do that on YouTube. And then it has the Keyword Explorer that gives you the ability to find all of the keywords that are going for the video or videos that you do, which is really nice. So that is always up top of YouTube, and it always shows you those tools that you can use. So I just uploaded this video. If you have defaults for your channel or for uploading your videos, you can apply them here. And they also have a tag tool. Now, if you're using the free tag tool, it'll have like the top 3 or 4 tags that you can use for your video. And if you're using any paid version, they have 3 paid versions that you can get, then it will show you this whole entire list. And the great thing is, this shows you not only short and medium keywords, but it also shows you long-term keywords, and it is a lot easier to rank for long-term keywords, especially keywords that are in search, when you are trying to rank on YouTube and on Google. So it's really nice. It comes up with a lot of long-tail keywords that might be good for this video, and what it's taking this off of is the video title that you have, as well as what you've put in your description. So with Tubebuddy, it shows you how many words you have in your title. You're limited to 100. It shows you how many words that you're going to have in your description, and then it will also count your tags when you put them in there. And with this, you can just add the tags that you want, and it's going to go ahead and add them into your box, which is really great. It also has a checklist over here on the side to tell you all the things that you want to do to have a successful video. These are the things that have been found to give you more views, more subscribers, more watch time, all of that great stuff. And as you do those things, it will actually go through your checklist and show you what's going on. One other thing that it has, you can do the demonetization audit. And so basically with what you're putting in there in the tags, the description, the thumbnail, all of that stuff, it's going to say any of these things are going to flag you to possibly get demonetized. So that's really nice. And then you come down here to the bottom and it's got the Tubebuddy tools. It's got the pre-publishing. It's got a thumbnail generator, which I love, and I'll show you that in a second. It has apply card templates. So if you have one of the paid versions, you can set up a card template. So you can say for business type videos or reaction videos or whatever, you have a template set up. You can automatically just apply it without having to go to the other functions, which is nice. You can also apply end screens. And then you can set up a caption service where you pay a little bit to have people do captions for your videos. And this is what we're going to be looking at here. So Vid To Vid Promotion. What this is you can select this video and put it in the description of all of your videos. So you can click on that and you can put it in the description. And what you would do is you would put this video in the description. You could say at the start of the description or at the end of the description, or if you already have it there, you can remove it from the description. So if, say right now, I've almost got 1,000 videos, you know, you could put this in the description of 1,000 videos, and that could help boost your traffic if people are looking at your description. Gives you the ability to automate that and, you know, do it very quickly, which is nice. Also, you have the ability to publish to Facebook. Now, if you are uploading this video, you of course have the video that you are uploading on your hard drive. So you can click the publish to Facebook, and what it will do is it will take your description, your title, and your thumbnail, and then it will upload the actual video that you are uploading from your hard drive to Facebook. So you can instantly load it to Facebook, and you can select any one of the pages that you have access to or that you run, and it will actually give it a native video on Facebook, and you can drive traffic that way. And then the big one is this one here, Share Tracker. So you have the ability to instantly share this video on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, Pinterest. I don't know what this one is. This one's Reddit, and this one's on Blogger. So you have the ability to instantly syndicate your video on all of these social media networks, and you could do it quickly with just the press of a button. So say if you wanted to share it on Twitter, you know, you would click on that. It's going to go to Twitter, and it's going to go ahead and load it so that you have, so right here it's going to share the link. So this is the title, and this is the link to the video. Now you can add any kind of hashtags or anything like that you want, and then you can tweet it out. And that will go out to Twitter, and you don't have to worry about YouTube taking it away. One of the other great options is if you don't have one of these super expensive programs to be able to find your keywords and long tail keywords and stuff like that, you can actually go to related videos and you can find out what keywords they're using. So say cheap indoor grow room. I've got this video here that I put out 7 years ago. You can actually click on the video, and you can click on any video from anybody who's posted any video out there, okay? And with that, when you go, it's going to have a list of all the keywords that they put on there for the tags. So you have the ability to go, and so right here, let me show you. So you can see a summary of the channel. You can see how many likes, how many mentions it's had. It's going to tell you if it's followed, you know, the top 10 things that you should do to have a best practice video. And then it's going to have the tags. Now the great thing is you can copy these tags. You can copy it to your clipboard, and then you can go ahead and paste it into your new video. So say if I just put up a video about about grow rooms, I could paste them in here. And then the great thing is once you have tags in here as well, not only will it pull tags from what your video is saying, but it will pull tags for here. And so you will have tag suggestions. If you have the upgraded version, it will show you all of them, short-term, long-term, long-tail keywords. If you have the free version, it's going to show you the first 3 or 4 suggested keywords, but still it's going to be doing that off of the keywords that you have here and what's in your title and description. So super helpful to be able to find keywords if you don't know how to do it on Google Analytics, if you don't know how to use it on Google AdWords, if you don't have a expensive program. You know, Tubebuddy is super, super awesome. Also, let's see what else we got. So they have a promotions section when you are in the Tubebuddy desktop application. And so you can have a link to your most recent upload. Now the great thing is this will be whatever your most recent upload is. So if you want to say, you know, have a link on one of your social media platforms, or if you want to have a link in your video that says check out my newest video, this will always be your newest video. You can also do my most popular upload, and this is going to be my most popular upload. They also have a channel page link, channel page with subscription pop-up link. So when it goes to the channel page, it's going to pop up and say subscribe, which is going to help with your subscribers, which is really nice. And then it'll also have a direct video to a link of the video that you most recently put up. It will have a link to your high resolution thumbnail, so you can download the thumbnail and you can use that on your other social media accounts if, say, you created it in a different program. So like if you created it with Tubebuddy, you have the ability to get that high resolution thumbnail and you can share it on all of your social media outlets, which is really, really great. Let me show you also. So it also has your channel art, it has your channel thumbnail, and it has an embed code so that you can embed videos that you want wherever you want to go. So that's really nice. Also, you have the ability to integrate with Patreon, Social Blue Book, Magic Links, and then of course you can hook it up with your Twitter and your Facebook, and they also have Tubebuddy Mobile so that you can do a lot of updates on your mobile phone. So you can hook it to any page that you are set up with, and you can post videos to those pages. And basically what it does is it takes the description, it takes the title, and then you upload the video directly to Facebook with one click, which is awesome. Okay, and then if you have any paid membership, you also get, of course, the Tubebuddy Mobile for free. You get a free subscription to Audio Hero, which has free music tracks. You get a free 1-year subscription to CollabSpace so you can find collaborations out there. It gives you 25% off on Epidemic Sound. It gives you free Tuber tools, which is a lot of like, what do you got? Let's see, Tuber tools. It gives you like a lot of end screens, thumbnails, transitions, lower thirds where you can like put stuff like look at this video or whatever. So it has all of these end cards. You get that for free. Then you also get some samples from this YouTube starter pack. You don't get the starter pack itself for free, but it's pretty good. It also has end screens and cards and templates and stuff. You also get Juke Deck, which they actually create computer generated music for you, so it's copyright free because it's generated just for you. And you get 33% off of transcribed videos, and transcribing of videos is really big because if you have transcribed it, YouTube really likes that because you're trying to make it more accessible to other people. And then you also get discounts on graphics and sounds, which is pretty cool. Also, we already looked at the Tuber tools. We got those right there. You can also have, if you have some of the not updated, but if you have some of the paid memberships, you can also have canned responses. So say if you've got right now I've got like almost 5,000 comments that haven't been responded to on my main channel because I'm super busy. That's not what I do full time. And so you can have canned responses, which, if someone said, oh, this video was really helpful, you have a little thing here that is N for their name. So you could say, hi, the green cabbie, thanks for the support, you know, and then you could say whatever you want to say. And so when you do a canned response, when you're in the comment section, you can select which canned response you want. It'll automatically put it there, so you don't have to type on 5,000 different comments, which is amazing. Now that is an upgraded feature, but it's pretty awesome because it'll save a lot of time. And one other thing that is a upgraded feature, which is spectacular. Like I said, I have, you know, some of these programs that you pay a lot of money for, and that gives you long tail keywords and all that kind of stuff. Well, the great thing about this is they have SEO suggested tags. Now, these tags are actual long tail keywords and tags that are showing up in search results for this video and videos like it. And these are ones that are the highest searched long tail keywords and keywords that are not in your video. So right here, I've got this video, delete all offline YouTube videos at once, right? So these are the tags that I currently have for this video, and a lot of them are long tail tags, right? So right here, how to delete offline videos from YouTube. You click it, it adds it to the video right there, and then you save changes. And that is a long tail keyword that people are searching for. It's a high value long tail keyword, and everyone that is, you know, that is good for the information in your video is going to help out in your search results. And like I said, I use these expensive programs, and there's 3 in here that I did not get that will definitely help out, because the more you get, the more views you're going to get. So like I said, this is a very, very helpful program. Tubebuddy, it's great, and the great thing is it's going to allow you to be able to share to Facebook and to use the share tracker to be able to put it on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and you don't have to worry about YouTube taking away all of these great, you know, benefits of being able to share and syndicate your content, because once you syndicate your content, it can be liked, it can be shared, and people are going to view it. You're going to get more view time, you're going to get more subscribers, and you're going to get more money in your monetization if you got more people clicking on ads. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please smack that thumbs up button. Please share it for people who are going to be making videos and they need to know how to syndicate their videos once YouTube takes away this option. And, you know, if you want to try Tubebuddy out, if you haven't, I'll have a link below, and you could try it out for free. You know, they have a free version that has a lot of these options in here. And if you want to try some of the upgraded versions, they also have a trial for that that's absolutely free, and you could try it out and see if you like it. So try it, see how it goes, and let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below and tell me if you liked it.